What's going on, guys? It's your boy Beowulf back here with another video. You've kind of seen the title, so you already know what we're getting into. And this is an unboxing video, and what we got right here is a pretty cool product. Now, if you haven't seen some of my videos, I've been out on the ocean a couple times, 300 Sea Doos, and I've been tapped when I'm on the ocean. Something comes up from behind, like back in here, and hits me in the back when I'm out there trying to find dolphins or just riding in the ocean. I usually go like 3, 4, maybe 5 miles out the coast. And when I'm out there, I'm all alone. So if something happens, you know, I'm in trouble. So the last thing I want to do is fall in the water. I live here in Myrtle Beach, and I think pretty positive Myrtle Beach is rated the top 5 most dangerous beaches for shark attacks, shark encounters, shark attacks. And especially when I'm out in the ocean in bright yellow jet skis, which simulating, I think sharks are most attracted to this kind of color from what I've read, Google searching it. So I'm kind of putting a big target like, hey, come mess with me. So I'm trying to figure out what the most best thing to buy to have as an added security that's not lethal, or nothing that's going to harm the sharks, because when I'm out there, I'm in their world. It's not my world. So I'm trying to figure out what the best product is to use, and from what my research showed up is this company called SharkBanz, and it hooks to your wrist, to your ankle. It's supposed to keep sharks away. And I've read all the reviews. It has like super positive reviews. So I knew when I saw this, I'm not trying to go in the water to mess with the sharks or be swimming in there, but it's in case if something happens that I fall in the water. So I wanted something that was an added security of, in case the chance I fall off the jet ski, that I don't get in trouble. And right now, my dog Leo's barking because he saw somebody drive by in front of the house. Sorry about that. But anyways, you need that added security when you're out there in case something just doesn't happen. I don't want to lose a leg or an arm, especially being that far off. If I had to swim in 4 miles off the coast inwards, and you telling me in the top 5 most dangerous beaches of sharks I would not have a run-in with a shark, you got another guess coming. So this is not 100% guaranteed thing, but it's supposed to help. So let me show you guys a little bit of this unboxing. Before I take it out, I want to read you guys the warning label they have in here. It's a very interesting thing. Let me show you what it says. All right. So it has this big thing. It says, attention, please read before use. I'm not going to read the whole thing because it's like pretty long. I'll read most of it. It says, all SharkBanz users should be aware that sharks are wild animals and unpredictable. SharkBanz have not been tested on all species of shark. SharkBanz will reduce the risk of shark interactions, but there is no 100% guarantee that the interactions will not take place, such as bull and blacktip, which are responsible for most of the majority hit and run attacks. So that's probably what's happening is a bull shark or a blacktip is probably what's messing with me out in the ocean. The piers off of Myrtle Beach, they see blacktips all the time, so it's most likely what it is, a bull shark. I have seen white sharks, tiger sharks, so it's a lot going on. So I'm going to show you guys what this thing is. Really nice packaging on it, patented magnetic technology. So there's no battery, so that's kind of cool too. Nothing we have to be worrying about is it always charged, but that's basically what's supposed to happen. So if I was in the water, the shark will turn the other way and not get me. So let's take it out and see what it looks like. Alright, so here we go. Now I got the blue colored one, gray. The nice thing is this thing's pretty heavy, so it's not like, I'll give you an idea, like it's not like an Apple Watch. It's a lot bigger than an Apple Watch. So you can wear this on your wrist or your ankle. It's all adjustable, and then what you could do too is if you find it you're using it in one position all the time and it's like longer here, you can cut this and see it's not as long. But I tell you, it's a nice product. I've been really happy with it. I've worn it now like 3 times going out, but I want to make an unboxing video with this. I know, especially where I'm at, and a lot of people aren't aware of this, bull sharks go into fresh water. So there's been a lot of bull shark sightings actually in the waterway here in Myrtle Beach, which was no question. I already figured they'd be there. It's an added security. I don't think this will really do anything against alligators, which there's a huge issue there. I know a couple weeks ago in South Carolina, a woman was walking her dog and got eaten by an alligator. So there's a risk when you're in the water, fresh or salt water. It's kind of always have this as a second, like something there that's like got your back instead of having nothing. So it's nice if you're like a surfer, or you like to go swimming, or you're jet skiing. And a lot of people jet ski just don't even think about that kind of added security they have to have. And then right when I'm doing all this, somebody's like cutting their grass, dogs barking. But anyways, I just want to give you guys a roundabout what this is all about. Take a look at them, and what I'm actually going to do too is roll a couple clips of what they got, showing testing with this with bull sharks. It's amazing of what this thing is. So let's roll the clip.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
May you guys see that footage? That's just amazing of what this product could do. So I'll leave their link at the bottom. Take a look them up. It's under $90 for the SharkBanz. So take a look at it. They got a couple different colors. They're really fast shipping too. I got it in less than 3 days when I paid for it. So it's real fast shipping. Take a look at them. And remember, if you're new to the channel, I'm Beowulf. Make sure you guys subscribe. To my existing subscribers, I salute you guys. Thanks for let's build this Beowulf Nation huge. I'll see you guys back in the next video. Peace out.